Hello, my name is Alex Bernand, Managing Director of Air Seal Products. The following training video will cover a number of areas, including installation of our range of tyre sealants, both armour seal and heavy duty, pump maintenance, and on the rare occasions you should have any trouble installing the product, how to clear the pump and resolve those issues as they happen. If you follow these simple procedures, you will find the installation of our Air Seal Products tyre sealant range to be a quick and simple process.
Pump assembly instructions are included in the pump box, and assembly is straightforward. Unscrew the top of the pump to pull out the shaft, then screw back together. Attach the T-handle to the pump shaft, remembering to have attached the locking collar first. Once in place, extend the pump shaft fully. Measure 14 3/4 inches or 375 mm down the shaft and secure the locking collar. Then to the T-handle, screw the armoured hosing. The pump will now dispense 8 fluid ounces per stroke. Remove the plastic lid from the top of the air seal container by cutting through each notch on the lid. It is then simply a matter of levering the lid off. Once the lid is removed, replace with the red pump lid and secure in place with the 3 thumb screws located on the edge. Next, push the pump shaft through the centre opening in the red lid and clamp in place. It is important not to over tighten the collar, as they can crack if over tightened. Before putting air seal products into the tyre, you must determine how much sealant to use. With each pump supplied is a full installation manual, along with general information about cleaning and maintaining your pump. It also contains application quantities for over 600 tyre sizes, each classified by rim diameter. For example, a typical truck tyre size would be a 295/80 R22.5. Looking firstly for the section listing 22.5 inch rims, and then for the corresponding tyre size, you will see 48 listed under the on-road quantity. This is how much air seal you should install. If a tyre is to be used on the highway above 45 miles per hour, for instance on a heavy goods vehicle, you would use the number listed in the fluid ounces on-road column. Each full stroke of the pump will dispense approximately 8 fluid ounces. To determine the amount of pump strokes, simply divide the number of ounces by 8. The pump can be calibrated to deliver exactly 8 ounces by adjusting the locking collar on the pump shaft. Given the example of the truck tyre, you would need 48 fluid ounces. All you need to do is divide 48 by 8. The answer 6 is the number of pump strokes. You should always round up to the nearest half stroke. The actual installation of air seal is easier than what you might think, and will soon become second nature. Prime the pump by attaching the nozzle to the return valve located on the pump lid. You will need a pressure gauge, valve key, spare valve cores and a rag. Remember to close the valve once pump is primed. Put on safety glasses and follow the next few steps. Check the tyre pressure. If necessary, bleed the tyre pressure down to approximately 40 psi. Connect the desired quick connect installation tool. Carefully remove the valve core and attach the quick connect fitting to the valve stem and open the hose end valve. Pump the required number of strokes. It is best to pump somewhat vigorously. This helps to keep the pump from plugging. Close the hose end valve, otherwise you'll make a mess when you disconnect the hose. Remove the quick connect valve from the stem and quickly insert the valve core. Adjust air pressure to manufacturer's specifications. There is not much which can go wrong with the installation. Remember, however, that AirSeal Products is designed to plug holes. This means that it will try to plug openings in the pump and valve stem, and occasionally it will do just that. Good pump maintenance and vigorous pumping will keep plugging to a minimum. Indicate installation by using either a green marker ring or green valve cap, and wipe off any excess product from the wheel and valve stem. If at any time you feel an increase in back pressure, stop pumping. Trying to force the pump will only tighten the plug. Remove the pump from the pail and rinse in water. Remove the quick connect fitting from the hose and check it for plugging. Clean if necessary. Remove the foot valve located on the bottom of the pump barrel and rinse the foot valve assembly. Unscrew the fitment at the top of the barrel to expose the piston and shaft. Remove the piston from the shaft and clean the piston and shaft end of any fibre build-up. If the foot valve and piston were clear, then the obstruction is in the pump handle or hose end assembly. If air did not blow out of the valve stem, you will know that the stem is plugged. Probe the stem with a wire or similar device. Place the pump barrel into a pail of water and pump through 3 to 4 strokes, or until clear water runs from the hose end. Reattach the hose and open the hose end valve and continue with the installation. For long-term storage, pump maintenance is suggested. Simply remove the pump from the AirSeal pail and wash the exterior with water. Then dry and spray the pump with a lubricant such as WD-40. This will prevent rusting. A range of accessories is also available, such as our pneumatic filling system. Please contact us for further details.
We hope you have found this training video both useful and informative. However, if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us by telephone, or please refer to our website www.airsealproducts.com, and thank you for investing in our range of tyre sealants.